Okay, so that was too much really, so we'll put in a bit of darkness there, but it wasn't so much. And because of that, this eye can now come more this way. It needs to be out here. Just like that. So we've got that tiny little area. Yeah, that'll make it okay. That'll make it okay. And I think possibly this should be a little bit straighter. We've got a dark bit there, yeah, and that looking better. We can take off a bit of this. That's a bit fat there. That looks better. Get the darkness in. Yeah, this is a lot darker over here. Yeah, just putting that depth in there really helps me get a feel for it. Right, let's get the pupil area. Yeah, that helps. That helps a lot. Okay. That helps a lot. Just gonna take a little bit of that off. Just take a bit of that off. Just gonna now get our other eyebrow in. Now this area here, we will now double measure that. We'll measure that again. It's a 1/2 inch and a 3. That's right. Dead on. Okay, that's good. It's always a good sign. Okay, now I'm just going to put in our other eyebrow. Again, it's very, very close. Just very gently. And then it kind of takes a bit of an upturn coming from here. And then it's kind of that kind of direction. It's actually following the line of here. And this is just going straight out to meet the other eyebrow. Slightly down. If you imagine the eyebrows do this, kind of coming down, down in the middle, and then up. It must come up again. Just making sure this is about the same as that. That's coming down too low. That's it. Okay. Now with my F graphite, just going to soften all that out. And rub a bit of the graphite over her iris. Just rub it over there. Just blend it in. Give the There's a little bit of lightness just here. Take that out. Get the highlight area back. It's kind of coming round like that really. Yeah, that's that dark bit that goes across there. And it's the same this side. Yeah, that's it. Just going around there as well. Now, with the charcoal, I've sharpened my charcoal up. Now I'm going to get a pupil in. Just in the right spot there. Just a tiny little dot at this point. That's looking okay. Then with the white charcoal, I'm going to get the highlight in. Get it just in the right place. It's going across there, slightly round there, and that's the same. They just need to be the same. Let's go around here a bit. We'll just soften those off a bit though. That's it. Now, we'll get her eyes. Try not to make that too round, like I did before. It needs to go more straight. And it's very dark around the highlight. Pupils a bit bigger. So this might be a touch too big, but she's not looking into light here, so you kind of get away with that. Make sure they're the same size. She doesn't want to be looking alarmed, so I'm going to go over that with the charcoal. They're always a bit softer on the outside pupils. They haven't got a hard line around them, they're just softer. Just soften them up a bit. That's it for now. And then, so we're going to get our eyes in now. Just go over that white a bit there. Okay, we'll get on to do our other eye. Then I think we're going to have to leave it there because the light's going a bit. So, yeah. So carefully put these lines on. I'm just drawing over them now and check them tomorrow. Just going to do the same with this eye. Put some charcoal in it. Darker edge. Darken that highlight down on my right hand side. Put her pupils in again. But they're now soft on the outside. That's just a bit stark there. Just gonna kind of go over that a bit. Just leave glints of it in. And they can easily be put back actually. Just nice to put them in. Just go over them. Just dull them down a bit for now. Okay, I think we're going to have to leave it there because it's getting too dark now. We can get a bit more finesse in there tomorrow, the shape around the eye and everything. But yeah, they're pretty much in the right ballpark. Let's change the pupil. Just needs to be slightly over, and wherever the pupil is, that's where she's looking. Yeah, that's better, I think. Okay, so we'll carry on tomorrow with the baby's eyes, and we'll get her eyebrows in, nose and the mouth. Okay, see you soon.